Bollywood actress and former beauty queen Aishwarya Rai Bachchan on Wednesday lauded the organizers of Miss World for removing the swimsuit round from their competition. Recently, the owners of the Miss World pageant have announced that there will be no swimsuit round from this year's competition. To this, watch what all Aishwarya had said.
मैं बहुत ही खुश थी जब जूलिया बॉन्डली ने मेरे साथ ये डिटेल शेयर किया था. इनफैक्ट 1994 में मेरे पैजेंट के बाद दैट ईयर 95 ऑनवर्ड्स ही उन्होंने वो राउंड कैंसिल कर दिया था क्योंकि मैंने कहा कि इट वाजंट वेरी नेचुरली कंफर्टेबल फॉर सम ऑफ अस नेशनैलिटीज़ एंड ये नहीं कि आई वाजंट स्पीकिंग सोली फॉर मी, but I was really speaking for a lot of girls from countries where the swimwear round was not necessarily swimwear is not a natural way of life in terms of social display. It is a very, you go to your own clubs and you can do it, or in your own homes or whatever, people felt comfortable in their natural environments or environments they were comfortable in. So I had shared that with her, and in fact for the next quite a few years, if I'm not mistaken, at least for the next 3 years, if not more, they did do away with the swimwear round per se and did it more like a beachwear fashion show. But this time she shared with me that she was definitely doing away with this round now. And I was very, very happy to hear that. And I feel very proud because for me it was always, and ये तो मैं खुद कहूँगी on record कि when I became Miss World, I was definitely not the best beach body of all the 87 contestants. I can vouch for it. I can put a stamp on it. And yet I won the title. So to me, I kept saying that if this is not the only reason, then क्या होता है कि कई लोगों के मन में ये एक इमेज बन जाता है कि नहीं, this is the imperative round and this becomes the deciding factor, which is not true. And even in Miss India, I was definitely not. And I remember in Miss India also, I had got the perfect 10 title, and I was not the best. I was not the fittest beach body in the Miss India contestants either. And I remember the judges and the pageant people telling me that getting the Miss 10 title was not only about literally your physicality. It was about how you presented yourself, your confidence, and so much else that went with it.
On the film front, Aishwarya is making her comeback on big screen after almost 5 years with Sanjay Gupta's Jazba. INS report.